In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update records automatically in Airtable. Automation 2026. Start by opening your browser and going to airtable.com. This is where everything lives, so make sure you're on the official site. Log into your Airtable account with your usual credentials. If you use single sign-on, that works too. Once you're in, Airtable takes you straight to your dashboard. Here on the dashboard, you'll see your recent bases. This is a quick way to jump back into ongoing work without hunting around. Pick a base you've been working in, or, if you're starting fresh, create a new base that contains the table and fields you want to update automatically. Inside your base, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see options like data, automations, interfaces, and forms. For what we're doing today, we're heading into automations, which is where Airtable lets you define triggers and actions that run for you in the background. Click Automations to open the automation workspace. This area is designed to be straightforward. You define when something should happen and what should happen next. If you want a quick start, use the catalog on the left to browse ready-made templates. It's a fast method to find common patterns without setting everything up from scratch. You'll notice a section with suggested automations. From here, select the Update Records automation. This template is perfect when you want Airtable to change a field automatically based on something that occurs, like a status change or a record entering a specific view. Before activating, review 3 things carefully. First, confirm the trigger matches your workflow. Common choices include when a record matches conditions or when a record enters a view. Your trigger should be narrow enough that only the right records are affected. Second, check any conditions in the setup to ensure you're targeting the correct table and records. Clear conditions help you avoid accidental updates. Third, configure the action to update the appropriate fields. Choose the table, pick the field or fields to update, and define exactly what the new value should be. If the template lets you reference values from the triggering record, map those accurately. Give your automation a clear name so you can find it later, and make sure permissions in your base allow updates to the fields you've selected. When everything looks good, activate the automation using the toggle in the editor. From this point on, Airtable will automatically update records whenever the trigger and conditions are met. If something doesn't behave as expected, revisit your trigger logic and field mappings to fine-tune the behavior. That's it! Your records now update themselves, reliably and hands-free.